Making money with investing, trading versus job. More importantly, being effective. That's what I'm going to talk about in this. So let's talk about ways of income. Well, here mostly we're focused on investing and trading versus the traditional way of job. Uh, Job is only one way. You put in hours, you get a fixed amount of pay. The more hours you put in, the more hours of your pay you get. So it's very fixed, and you exactly know what you're going to get. There is guarantee. You know exactly what it is. But when it comes to investing and trading, it's not really about the hours, or not even the amount of work, not even the amount of effort. You can do hours and hours of research, or you can do uh, think something is very, very, very good trade or investment, and then still you may just get okay results. So here I want to cover about being effective, that is getting the results and also improving the results over a time, uh, and getting to know yourself better. So the main thing in investing or trading is you want to make money. You want to get money, just like how you do a job and you get a money. Well, in terms of job, it's very simple. You put more hours, you use more, and you get more pay. Well, there are fixed hours per day, but like years and years of work is what I'm talking about. But in terms of investing and trading, it's about the effective trade, effective investment, not really about the time, not really about the research. Yes, research does help, but it's not about how many hours of research you did or how many calculators, how many Excel sheets you've been calculating. It's all about the investment or trade, and you will make a decision whether it's profit or loss or just break even, whatever that is. It's about the effectiveness and knowing yourself. So, with that being said, now it's easier said than done. If you already made some trades, you know what I'm talking about. And if you're a newbie, maybe on the sidelines or not much, so you can kind of relate some things, or at least have some idea about what this is like another way of making money, getting money with your money as your capital. So it's all about the emotional skills, your outlook, and your patience and your impatience, and your time frame. You're looking for a short trade, few hours a day, or you're looking for a few months, or you're looking for a few years, and the timing, market conditions, and political conditions, and something else. So we don't know. A lot of things are there. It's not so easy. If it's easy, we would be done it. So everybody make more profit, right? Well, people make do investing. The intention is to make a profit. People make trade for profit. People invest for profit. That's the intention. Well, it comes to stock market. What happens is your results are instant. You can see profit or loss instantly, unlike illiquid assets like a home or other properties. You don't know where you are, but in terms of stock market, you know instantly you're in profit or loss, and your emotions will come up. Maybe you want to take profits quickly or long term. Maybe you want to take losses quickly or long term. So it's all about you and getting to know yourself with your emotions and the other skill sets, and it's about you being more effective. You're putting your capital to work and to make profit. That's the intention, that's the idea, and how it works out for you and how you can improve yourself is a matter of time, and how you deal with yourself, your own emotions, and the results. And it can be improved by tracking and looking at your history and planning for the future. Because the more you know about yourself and the more you trades you make, that kind of gives you experience. And you'll also know your own preferred style. There are so many types of trades and investments, so there are so many styles, methodologies. So you will get to know maybe you prefer some versus not others, or you're okay with some versus not others. So it's about all you trying to do some of them and then kind of getting to know yourself and improving the effectiveness by tracking your history. So it's all about taking a profit versus just working for a job like an hourly wage salary. So it's about for the goal is to get profits, and that's the vehicle. Investing and trading are the both vehicles. Not really about how much effort and time you put into this research trade. It's about the effectiveness. In terms of work, it's about putting a trade in and out. Well, it's not so easy, but that's what I was talking about. So, hope this gives you some things to think about if you haven't traded too much, or if you trade sometimes and stopped, or you're thinking about entering some trades but you're not. So, evaluate your past history and see where, how they are versus what you thought, and see some improvement chances, and that can give you a good view for yourself to know yourself. Hope that helps.